Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. This is Sandeep Chandra, Chief Editor of Campus Studio Media. Campus Studio is the fastest growing digital video publisher that cover education ecosystem in India. We have been doing various seminars, conferences and workshops on the various topics in the education sector. So in the context of this session, that in the times of Corona, how will student study in the period when these institutions are closed? So we welcome our first guest, Ms. Sulekha Chandra. Sulekha is a founder and director of Gyan Paradise. She is an emotion intelligence coach, corporate trainer and research scholar. Thank you, Sulekha, for being with us. So my question is to impact on education and learning scenario during the COVID-19. Over to you.
Hi Sandeep, thanks for inviting me to Campus Studio. Very relevant question, I must say. First of all, what we observe nowadays is an online boom in learning. So educators, students, they're largely going for MOOCs. MOOCs are massive open online courses which are over the internet, and they're open to people, millions of people, and for free of charge. Secondly, colleges, students and universities, they have started giving online lessons now, which last for say 45 minutes to 1.5 hours, with an attention span in mind, which also includes online conferences. Now many educators who are not so tech savvy have started exploring technical courses to give a better online experience to their students. Now, in absence of any physical presence in campus, COVID-19 definitely does have an economic impact, which means that the percentage of payouts, like say salaries, bills, etc., and the receivables like fees, they will undergo a slash. I mean, a drastic slash, I will say. It can even go down by say 60%. Now, what I think is, first of all, on one hand, where there are numerous sources of learning, there could also be some fraudulent online universities, which will definitely impact people somehow, some way or the other. So students need to be very well aware of the credible sources and not abandon their colleges or schools or universities just because something is free online. And number two, I think that knowledge imparted by certain organizations and people is definitely indispensable, in the sense that they will definitely command a good price, and it will also trigger universities to introduce technical platforms that can put a learner under surveillance even when he or she is at home, so which will ensure the credibility of the overall process. Now, facial coding techniques, they will be incorporated in the interface to assess the attention and interest of the learner. And I think and as per the recent developments also, I think blockchain technology, it has entered the market, and it will definitely revolutionize the way we see credibility of any degree from any university or from any source. We are again going to witness an educational boom, and also a job boom in IT sector, in medical technologies and in biosciences. So that is definitely going to be there. And above all, I think once we develop a herd immunity for COVID-19, educational system will thrive again, and distance education will see a surge in schools and colleges. So I think it's time to prepare for digital excellence and a wonderful experience I hope that answers your question. Thank you.
Thank you, Sulekha, for trying to address this topic, and I hope the student will benefit with this session. Thank you, Sulekha, once again for being with us, and I would like to thank you, my audience who are watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like, so that more and more students will benefit with this video. Stay home to stay safe. Thank you.